Is your internet slow, unstable, or suddenly not working? Before restarting everything, you can run a few simple checks in Command Prompt. In this guide, I'll show you how to test your connection, check DNS, trace the network path, and identify where a problem might be. Let's begin. First, open Command Prompt from Windows Search. Start with a pconfig and press Enter. Find your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter. Check that it has an IP4 address and a default gateway. If these are missing, your computer may not be connected properly to the local network. Next, test your local network by pinging the default gateway address shown in the previous step. Type ping followed by that address and press Enter. If you receive replies with response times, your computer can communicate with the router. If every request times out, the problem may be between your device and the local network. Now test an internet destination. Type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. If you receive replies, your device can reach that public IP address. If the router responds but this test fails, the problem may be somewhere between your local network and the wider internet. Keep in mind that some destinations may block ping requests. Next, test DNS resolution. Type pingexample.com and press Enter. If the hostname resolves to an IP address and you receive replies, DNS is working and the destination is reachable. If you can ping a public IP but a website name doesn't resolve, DNS could be the issue. This is a really useful comparison. For a more direct DNS test, use NSLOOKUP. Type NSLOOKUPexample.com and press Enter. CMD will show which DNS server responded and the address returned for that domain. If the lookup fails, you may have a DNS configuration or connectivity problem. Finally, you can use tracrt to see the route packets take toward a destination. Type tracrtexample.com and press Enter. You'll see multiple network hops along the route. This can help identify where delays or failures are occurring, although some hops may not respond to these tests, and that's a simple CMD toolkit for checking your internet connection. Start with a pconfig, ping your router, test a public IP, check DNS with NSLOOKUP, and use tracrt when you need more detail. So next time your connection acts up, you can troubleshoot it before reaching for the reset button.